आपने लेटर के शुरू किया ना
Who is that? Who throw this on? Give the Prasad. Yeah. Ayan. Yashika. Atharva. Shambhavi. Maitreyi. Yashmi. Riddhi. Absent. Okay. Then Rafiq, Satvik, those who got the paper, keep it over there. Satvik, then Atharva, Yashmi is absent here. Viraja. Hello. All of you got the paper? Yes, sir. Just keep the paper in front of you. Where is it? Take out the paper and keep the paper in front of you. You did not appear. No, I didn't. Hello. Hello. All of you stand up. Good evening. Good evening, sir. Yeah, good evening. Manjari, where is the paper? Keep it in front of you. I want to mark straight at it. Why you people are moving back, then I will start the lecture from here. Only first bench should be kept weighted, otherwise last people will be in the first bench. Don't look at me. I'm telling you. Show the shout the answer or mark out. Then show me the mark side. I will shout the mark out. Where is your mark? I know I'm seeing this paper at 4 o'clock. Is it there? Do you get the paper? I said something great now for you. Yeah. How many of you can keep proudly in front of you and open and keep the paper? I'm seeing, by seeing itself keep open and opposite side. Performance is very good now. Which chapter? Huh? That also doesn't know which chapter is that. Banking. Other branch there is a 14 or 15, not a people taught. Cards. Here. Those who got 14 above, 14 or 14 above can stand. Those who got 14 or 14 above can stand. Maybe. Nice. All the 14 people are coming. Why you people are late?
Football practice.
Where?
Bus.
For me too.
Decide. Have seen your papers also. Because Atharva, there, where are you now?
Yeah.
No, here is it. 13 or above. Anyone is there?
14. The bank.
13 or above. Anyone is there? Nice. That's enough now. 13 or above. That is enough now. One chapter. 15. 15. You got 15. Huh? Which one? Banking.
Yes.
We are given the paper of which one paper you got now? Banking. And the so-called people, all people are doing, we are done. 9 mark, 8 mark, 7 mark, 3 mark, 2.5. Oh, 1.5. I don't know if there anyone got with 0. That also possible. What? Don't be so excited. After getting 7 marks, 7 or 9? 9. Enough, no, yeah, got no 9. Pass is enough. What are you looking behind? You want to see someone? I'll turn this side. Banking has how many formulas here? 1 or 2 formulas? 2. Okay, I made one formula to made into 2 forms. One is interest and second one is maturity. This and to do this one, at least how many sums we have done? You have done almost every exercise questions are done. Even you all are practiced from the textbook also. Is it something new questions are done? Is there any new question? Only the problem maybe you can face is finding the value. I said there is a complicated part is there, but maybe the facing is value of n. And that too, you must have noticed value of n. The common sense even the same. Last 2 questions are same. Already n was given in the previous question. Because the principal and the maturity value and the rate of interest is same. So last 2 questions the same thing. So you can very easily take out with the factors also. Look, this way will not work. Once again, I am telling you, you have come to UP not for the time pass and having fun. Last year I was telling you the people over there. I am going to Kargil. There are around 35 students are there. If this man knows, most of your friends are there, isn't it? There are people, how many are getting no marks? I'm factorization. I did only 1 or 2 questions in the class. The remaining, every question was done by different students. Two people are standing over here and doing. Here, x square minus 5x minus 24 equal to 0. Practice. I have to ask 10 people. Then only I'll get an answer. Look here, this one. I am telling you this one. Whatever, yes, what is the problem? You have some problem there. Papers keep it inside all of you give the paper inside. Paper will be, you can take it from the office. Okay? Those who did not get after getting the paper. Now, the first thing is, these are only one chapters. I last class also said, it's only one chapter. In your school, you will not see even as a one chapter, even class tests also, they will not give for one chapter. They may give 3-4 chapters. Okay, so this one chapter, you cannot score at least 12 to 13 marks means that is not, your studies are not going properly. These only the question. And you can see every question we are done in the class. Not that you are not done. There you cannot do means 5, 6, 7 chapters are coming, what you will do? It is not 9th standard. 9th standard school exam was there, everything is done. Okay, I got pass mark. Out of 80, I got 30 marks. Oh, done, I got 30. Plus my internals, 20 more marks, 50 marks. You will come proudly, sir, I got 50 out of 100. This is not your 9th standard, this is 10th standard. Percentages are very important. Even if you get 90 plus, people are only 90. And after that, you have to get admissions. Most of you people have to shift from your school to the different schools. Majority does. And for that one, you need percentage. Good colleges, if you want to get means, percentages are very important. Nobody will tell, oh, you are from the UT, or UT you are the topper, or you are there. Percentage. If it is this percentage is there. 98% is uneven. 98 even first list they are not getting admission in the required colleges. I am not bluffing. I am not joking this off. You read the newspapers, you come to know. It's not that you are not. Yes, there are colleges will be, but which you don't want to go. So if you want it, you have to. This is not 10th standard getting mark. You will see a lot of pictures are there. No, you think they are. Even there are people, a lot of CBSE. I still remember the child is sitting out of 500, 498. The child was sitting all there regularly doing. Even ICSE 100 on 100 math. There are a lot of cases are there. How they do? It's not that they are very extraordinary or something. Regularly practice, systematically practice. That is only the thing. Nothing else. There is no other work to do. Systematically practice. It doesn't mean that today onwards I will 24 hours open the book and keep. It's not going to work that way. Yes, I have to practice limited. I have to do it. If not getting, again do it. Redo. That way. That is the way. Not the solution see and redo it. Seriously, first thing is seriousness. Yes, I need to do it. I need to get a percentage. That target in mind and try to get it. It's not that you can, a lot of people can get. I was expecting at least 5 to 6 people get 14 or more than 14. At least 5 to 6. That was my expectation. But this is not, I am not, whosoever is happy over there, I am not satisfied with even a single person's mark over here. I'm seriously telling you. Now, slowly started calling parents also. Now I will ask the parents, when they come over here, are they studying? Now you will tell, sir, which mother will tell their wife studying? I don't need to hear all these things. Your parents cannot be satisfied, I am also not equally satisfied. Otherwise, you show the mark. If your parents are telling, yes, you are not studying, but I will say, see his mark or her mark. Yes, they are doing it something. So prove yourself. It's not that, just come over here. Yes, my friend is there. We say 5 questions are done. Some pass, some comments. We all laughed and come over. Portions will be over. Fast. We are doing the post chapter. After 25 chapters, 4th chapter is going on. Now you will see in the vacation, May vacation, 1 month class is there, regular class. Daily 3 hours lectures of subject is there. Portions will move fast. Accordingly, you also have to study. So please take seriously. That only I need to tell. Otherwise, this way will go. Nobody will fail. Nowadays, it's a board examination. It's difficult to fail. Okay, it's difficult to fail in the examinations. Pass mark is better. You will get 30%, 40%, or 50%, 60%, even 70% also you may get. But what is your requirement will you get? That is the important thing. If you are not getting, and again remember, you have come over here, it's not them, so some 3 of us, okay, some 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 they paid and come over here. Your parents have spent quite a lot. If you see this one means, maybe UT is a place, maximum fees is there. Like one of the places, okay, 1 or 2 places like that, similar, almost highest fees over here. Still, your parents are put over here. Reason is what? You should get score marks. It should be advantage. And it's not that my parents have a lot of money. It's not like that. Some of you must have noticed your parents are moving out from your home before you get a period. And they come back late night, late evenings. Why? Reason is what? They for satisfaction for them or what? So they need to work that much to bring you up. So they're not asking money and all. They'll ask study and show the result. If you are not showing the result, it's no point. So please study. It's not that you are not studying. Yes, you are studying, but that is not it. So please take care. Next test is on tomorrow. You have a test. What test?
Linear equation.
So, linear equation practiced or what? I don't know. This is all I know. If you have any problems are there, generally they will announce the test papers little early. Okay, check with this one. I don't know the office. Generally they will announce early. If it is announced or not, I have no idea. Find out and appear properly. Okay. So we are doing the chapter quadratic equations. But I ask you people to redo the work. And again, the things are there, substitutions and all, different ways you can do it. It's not that one method. There are different, sometimes without substitution you can do, simplifications you can do. Be careful. So let's come to the this exercise to complete. What is homework done? Okay, now today I'm not checking next further, it's already my 10-15 minutes are over. Yeah. Question unsolved exercise 5.2. How many questions are done? First question, all the parts are done?
No. 11th one.
11th one is only left out.
11th one and 12th.
Okay, 11th and 12th are left out. What is the 11th question? Read, Ashmeet.
1 plus 1 upon x plus 1
Okay.
whole times 1 minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 7 by 8.
7 by 8. What is to be done? LCM of both brackets. All of you do it. Not to wait for me to do. You should do before me. Why I am doing this one? Those who are unable to get, for them only. You need to take the LCM. Those who don't know the LCM means this is denominator is 1. This denominator is 1. This bracket LCM is what? X plus 1. So this is x plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1. It's already plus 1. Times this bracket, this is x minus 1. This 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 minus 1.
Sir.
Who's that?
Sir,
Which identity?
a square minus b square.
Is it A and B are same? What is B? 1 upon this is 1 upon x minus 1.
No, sir.
These are not the same thing.
A plus B minus.
Can we apply A plus B minus?
So after solving.
This one.
No,
Yeah. And that after solving step is not
a plus b.
Are you check now what is this one?
No, next step.
Next step is written. Let's first simplify now. How much you will get? X plus 2 upon x plus 4. x minus 2 upon x minus 1. Then whatever is written that step you have to ask now. Now check what you have to do. Yes, numerator is multiplied, denominator is multiplied. Numerator multiplied a plus b, a minus b. X square minus 2 square. Denominator is what? X square minus 1 square equal to 7 by 8. Simplify, cross multiply, make the equation and solve it.
Done, sir.
It is done by x square is equal to minus 25.
Oh.
You have to do it by factorization. Remember, 8 times x square minus 4 is equal to 7 times x square minus 1. That is 8x square minus 32 is equal to 7x square minus 7. Shift everything to one side. 8x square minus 7x square minus 32 plus 7. That is equal to, that is same as x square minus 25. 25 is 5 square. X minus 5 equal to 0. X plus 5 equal to 0. That is x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 5. Solution set 5 comma minus 5. Is it the answer got? Check the steps. Are you following? Sharnam, you are Sharnam, no? Huh? Sharman. Minus 2 square is minus 1, no? Minus, not minus 2 whole square, no? Only minus 2 square. Done, all of you?
No, sir.
Next question. Satvik, read the question.
Yes, sir. In the root of 2x square minus x is equal to in the root of x square plus 6.
X square plus
6.
6. What do you have to do? Root has to be removed. Squaring both sides. Square on both sides, the root will be automatically go because it both are, everything is inside the root, no?
Yes.
That is 2x square minus x is equal to x square plus 6. The root is gone. Now make it to the standard form. 2x square minus x square minus x minus 6. X square minus x minus 6. Hope all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Now splitting rhythm, all of you can do it. Yes or no? Product is how much? Minus 6. Sum is equal to minus 1. Which are the numbers? Plus 2x minus 3x. X into x plus 2. Minus 3 times x plus 2. X plus 2 times x minus 3. X plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2 or x equal to 3.
Sir,
Yes.
so what is SBS?
Squaring both sides. Okay. Check the steps. These are not complicated ones. Wherever the steps are unable to do, you tell me. I'll explain again. Check the steps. Wherever the problems are there, tell me. Exercise 5.2. Complete all of you. Next question. Read. Still volume is with 1. Javas.
Find the quadratic equation. Whose solution set is 3 and 5.
3 and 5. That is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. Means x minus 3 will be 0. X minus 5 will be 0. Means their product is equal to 0. Now we will open. So when you open, directly if you want to open, multiply x times x, x square, x times minus 5x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 5 plus 15. That is x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Are you followed? What is done? Here it is opposite. From here it's opposite where I think is called that. Here equation, from equation we got the solution. Here from solution we are getting equation. How did you get this one? If you don't know, means you can see x times x minus 5 minus 3 times x minus 5 equal to 0. Are you followed? Then multiply x into x, x into minus 5, minus 3 into x, minus 3 into minus 5. Okay, that is the quadratic equation. Steps are clear. Those who are still problem is there, tell me, I'll explain again. Next question. Read the next question. Next one.
And the value of x is a plus 1 equals to 0 and x square plus ax minus 6 equals to 0.
X square plus ax minus 6 equal to 0. Two conditions are given, is it or not? So from here to find out x. So from a plus 1 equal to 0, you can find the value of a. So what is the value of a? A will be equal to minus 1. So replace over here. Therefore, in this equation, replace what we get? X square plus minus 1. That is minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Are you followed? We got a is equal to minus 1. Replace a value. A value is minus 1. Now factorize. We'll get splitting real time. All of you can do now. If you don't know, look at the right side. It's only solution here. X equal to 3 minus 2. What happened? Which question? Start now. Why is it slow? Are you following what is going on? That is speak. But Mark does not speak. Why Mark is less? Yeah. That is something future thing now.
Answer.
If anyone having a problem in the paper, go through the paper, compare with the check with the model answers, still you think that you will get more marks, you can recheck also. There is no problem. But we got x equal to 3 and x equal to 2. Yes. Sorry, minus 3 and minus 2, same solution.
Yes.
This one. Okay. Yeah. Ayan. Read the next question. Are you following? 3 and minus 5. I check that previous question. This one solution is same thing.
Use the substitution y is equal to 2x plus 3 to solve for x. If 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3 square minus 2x plus 3
Target now.
Times minus 14.
minus 14 is equal to 0.
Times minus 14.
2x minus 3 minus.
Is it times? It is minus 14.
1.
Okay. So what is the way to do? It's already given. Even if it is not given also, you know how to take. You just substitute. Substitute means Wherever y is equal to 2x plus 3, right? 4y square minus y minus 14 is equal to 0. Now so find the value of y. After y, you replace y as 2x plus 3. What is the value of y? This is the same thing now. We replace y is equal to 2x plus 3. It may not be given in the exam. That you have to take 2x plus 3 is equal to nu. This similar question we have done already.
Yes.
Factorize. What? How? What is the product? Product is AC. Got everything redo. Hello? What is going to what is the square root? Set.
Sir,
Then check what are the product is how much? 4 into minus 14. That is minus 56. And the sum is minus 1. Be careful. If those who don't know, you write this product is equal to minus 56, sum is equal to minus 1. Then you can identify 8 and 7. So minus 8 and plus 7.
y is equal to 2 or minus 7 upon 2.
Minus 8y plus 7y minus 14. Y minus 2 times 4y plus 7 equal to 0. They asked you to solve the value of y or solve the value of x. Solve the value of y or x. Yes, what happened? How did you get the? This 4y. So from here take common. What is common between these two? 4 and 8. 4 is common. Y square and y. Y is common. From here what is common? 7 and 14, 7. Understood or not? No. Now replace, that is 2x plus 3 minus 2 times 4 times 2x plus 3. It's not important to get the value of y. Reason is y equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 1 times 8x plus 12 plus 7. 2x plus 1 times 8x plus 90. So you will get the solutions. So you are getting as 2x plus 1, 0, 8x plus 90. X equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to minus 19 upon 8. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Solution set. Viraj got the same answer or something else? Check the steps, how it is being done. Hope all of you got it. Completed. Check the step. Those who are finding difficulty, you have to yourself you have to redo. Then you will learn. Next question. Over. Exercise is still there now. Okay. Read. Read.
The product equation x square minus n plus 1 into x
X square minus m plus 1 times x
times x
plus
plus x equals to 0.
6 equal to 0.
As 1 root as x equals to 3.
1 root as x is equal to 3.
Find the value of m and the other root is equal.
So you have, it is given one root is x equal to 3. So how you can do it? You can replace x equal to 3. You will write, since x is equal to 3 is a root. Substituting. So we would have replaced 3 square minus m plus 1 times 3 plus 6 equal to 0. X is replaced as 3. Simplify, 3 square is 9 minus 3m minus 3 plus 6.
M is equal to minus.
That is equal to, and 9 minus 3, 6 plus 6, 12
Oh.
minus 3m is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 3m. M is equal to,
4. Minus 4.
you said how many values you shouted? First you said minus 6, 4, minus 4. Quietly do the work. There are, how many have we got m is equal to 4? When I ask you the answers, are you following? Now, also, is it m only you have to find out? You have to find the other root. So replace in the equation, that is x square minus 4 plus 1 times x plus 6 equal to 0. That is x square minus 5x plus 6. Factorize x minus 3 minus 2x. You have to learn factorization, it's important. Those who are still struggling. X minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 2. Therefore, answer m is equal to 4. What is the other root? The root is x is equal to 2. 3 is one root is given, so the root is 2. Yes, Atharva? Followed?
Yes, sir.
No problem?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Shambhavi? Not followed. Huh?
So why other root is equal?
What is this? Given x equal to 3 is a root? No, which is the other one? 2. Already 3 is given in the question root. So other root. Okay. Shirisha. Next question over. Which is there? Read.
So x upon a minus a plus a upon x is equal to b times a plus a upon ax.
So this one by okay. Maitreya, stand up. Go to the board. X upon a minus a plus b upon x is equal to b times a plus b upon ax. What did you do? LCM. LCM. Correct. Denominator ax will be cancelled now. What is left out right as it is? And shift that x square is equal to, x square is equal to a times a plus b plus b times a plus b. A plus b common. A plus B times A plus B. That is x square is equal to A plus B whole square. Is it or not?
Yes.
The big square root. So what is it get? X equal to x equal to plus or minus A plus B. Yeah, both. Right. Plus or minus right.
Plus minus A plus B.
Those who haven't followed, tell me. Some of you are expanded and done. Same answer got correct. No problem. You have time only. What? Did you ask me? Who said it must not in the syllabus? It is equal monthly installment now. P into n into n plus 1 by 2. What is that? You got P into n. P into n is not the answer. P times, you know what is it? You want right? I is equal to can you make it to the form of PRP by 100? P into n into n plus 1 by 2 into R by 100 into 1 by 12. Move to this side. Now check. It is of the form what is T 1 by 12. We know by 1 by 12 it's a monthly value. You are taking as n as how much? N as what?
Number of months.
Number of months. So this is a monthly. That is why T is to be taken as 1 by 12. Understood or not? So equated monthly value is how much? P into n into n plus 1 by 2. Homework now? Do not worry. Completed all of you that question x equal to minus of? Done all of you? Okay. Question number which is next? Over. Last question. Okay. Question number 7. All of you read. Read the question.
If minus 1 and 3 are the roots of x square plus bx plus q is equal to 0, find the value of p and q.
Okay, minus 1 and 3 are the roots of the equation. So break that equation. Pick the standard. Go to the board. Anjali, you jump from there. Manjari, you want to do on the board, Manjari? Huh? No, so you should not move. Spirit in left side. Erase that one. Do that. Right, which are the roots is given? Minus 1 and x equal to minus 1. Comma, other one is x equal to 3. So make it to the factor form. X plus 1 equal to 0. Group it. Open the bracket. Whichever is convenient way you multiply, okay? Not that there is no 100%. So if you are right, x times x minus 3, right? we get x square minus how minus 4x minus 3 plus 1 it's not a fraction minus 2x is or not and what is the question is given x square x square plus px plus q equal to 0 so what is the value of p 2 or minus 2 q so p is equal to minus 2 and q is equal to minus 6 okay all of you follow there are different ways you can do this is the easier way to do you can substitute and the equations you can create then solve that also you can do but this is easy hope all of you follow equal to systems. What is that laughing here? Following. I tell us now. You're scared of me? Why are you not scared of me? That's why you're not studying, no? Next time marks should come, okay? Study. What happened?
Small mistake.
What is a small mistake you did?
Calculation error.
What is a calculation error? You did by some other way?
Yes, simultaneous.
You can do that is not a mistake. That is also correct. Look here. You can put look here x square plus px plus q. First you put x equal to minus 1. Then you put x equal to 3. Then solve the equation. That's a little long way. The answer still come 1 minus p plus q equal to 0. Second one is what? 9 plus 3p plus q equal to 0. Subtracting unit directly. It should have come. Okay. Little 2-3 steps extra. Let it be there now. What is your problem? Let him complete his work now. Yeah. So we have done. The method is what? What is the method we have done? Factorization. Factorization. It's maybe splitting middle term or using the identities we have done. So this is called solving the equation by which method? Factorization method. If it is specified, you have to exactly you have to follow. If not, means you can do simple ones also. Listen all of you. Okay. Now, the next form here, what is the general form of the quadratic equation? What is the general form of the quadratic equation?
ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0.
Where?
A not equal to 0.
Not equal to 0.
Okay. This is the quadratic equation. Listen carefully. Maitre, are you listening? Okay. So I am taking this constant term to the right side. Which is a constant term? C. Therefore, ax square plus bx is equal to how much? Minus c.
Minus c.
I'm going to divide throughout by a. If you divide by throughout by a, this by a will come as how much? X square plus b by a is equal to minus c by a. Are you followed this much? X square plus b by a. No problem now. Now I am going to make a completing the square. Do you know what is a plus b whole square?
Yes, sir.
I forgot to check your identities. Today is the day you have to submit the identity.
No, sir.
No, I have learned and come.
Yes, sir.
Maitreya, standard. Next day, remind me to ask the identity. Okay. And he is the first person. You tell me. Okay. Now, what is a plus b whole square?
A square plus b square
A square plus b square or 2a.
plus 2ab.
You be according to you, I'll write. Happy?
Yes.
Okay. If the same thing, if I write x plus 3 whole square, what will you get?
X square plus 9
plus
6ab.
6x.
Okay, now. What is the coefficient of x? 6. What is half coefficient of x?
3.
That is same as b. Understood? Even you can see what is the coefficient of a? 2b. Half coefficient of b? B. Okay. Always the third term will be obtained by half coefficient of x. You know what is the coefficient of x here? B upon a. What is half coefficient of x? Half b upon a. Half b upon a is same as what? B by 2a. I will add b by 2a whole square on both sides. Its square added minus e by a plus b upon 2a the whole square. Now check, it is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. Will it be 2ab? 2 times. Check now. 2 times x, 2 times a is what? X. B is what? B by 2a. X into b by a. Okay? Now, this is same as x plus b upon 2a the whole square. If I write this one, I'll write b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. Yes or no? I can take the LCM. What is the LCM? 4a square and is 4a cube. b square. What will it come over here? Minus 4ac. Will it come this way? Because a only is there now. What should be multiplied? So x plus b upon 2a the whole square. Okay? We will take the square root. This you not followed. Multiply by 4a.
Derivation.
What is multiply by 4a? What is this one? 4a into 4? 4a square. So, no, it's already. C into 4a is 4a c na?
So you took LCM.
It is as good as LCM. Okay, LCM is called taking the common denominator. What is the mean to here? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. You multiply by 3, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Same thing now, 3 plus same common denominator. Okay, that are different ways. Okay, now we will take the square root. If you take the square root, you will get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon root of 4a square is how much? 2a. I'll shift these to other side. X equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The denominator is same. Yes or no? So I can club the denominator minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Forget about the derivation. What is it box you learned? Discriminant. Please learn. This is discriminant. This is box. This is called square root. This is called the box. Learned?
Yes, sir.
All of you learned?
Yes, sir.
All of you stand up. Those who learn the formula can sit down. Stand up. Tell the formula.
Sir, B square. Sir, me I.
Stand up there. Stand and learn. Look at the board and learn. Minus b plus minus up.
Sir, good evening.
All of you sit down. Listen, all of you. Shh. How many answers are there here? Two answers. Isn't it? So why have you seen two answers here? One is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second one is minus b minus, isn't it? Plus or minus means, those are not followed. What is the meaning of 5 plus or minus 3? 5 plus 3 and 5 minus. There are two answers are there. Understood? The same way. Now, have you seen a root? Okay. Square root is there. Now there is a square root properties are there. Do you know what is properties of square root? Huh? What is it?
One example.
Square root anything, there is only one property. Then the
square root is equal to the number raised to 1 by 2.
Square root, if a number is negative, you cannot find the square root. Have you heard about or not? That means square root is not defined for negative numbers. Understood or not? That is, what is inside the square root? B square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? Discriminant. You are remembering the nature of the roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, what is the meaning of less than 0?
Imaginary.
So negative you cannot get. Understood or not? Imaginary. Second property, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. Look over here. If it is equal to 0, the root 0 is 0. So this is only one value, minus b upon 2a, because answer. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
And if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, there are two values. One is minus b plus and second one is minus b minus. That is real and unequal. Okay. And even rational also remembering, suppose the value of the root, if it is this b square minus 4ac equal to 3. Suppose the value is equal to 3, then what will be the answer? Minus b plus minus root 3. That is why you're not remembering. One, if it is 1 is a plus root b, other root will be a minus b. Minus b plus root 3 and minus b minus root 3. These are all the properties are involved over here. So this formula can be applied only if value of b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. Even if it is 0 also you can apply. Are you followed? If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, don't write this formula. You will write immediately, what will you write? No real roots, or roots are imaginary. Understood or not? This formula is called quadratic formula. That formula? Huh? Acharya Sri, now remember quadratic formula. Understood or not? Okay. So write down. Heading right. Quadratic formula. Yes. Quadratic formula. Consider the equation. Consider the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If, below the next line, if b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then the roots are x is equal to, right, without mistake, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Look at the board and write without mistake, minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Remember, once again, look here. Where is this 2a? Which denominator? Complete denominator. Remember, don't write, because these are the mistakes are happening. That is why I am telling. Is it true?
No.
It is for complete. Okay, so why be careful with, because sometimes you will make mistakes. That's why. Okay, this page is clear. Okay, then next below you can formula written. I hope all of you learn. You have to learn. Below right. One more. If b square minus 4a as a not or r, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then x is equal to
Minus b upon
-b upon 2a. Listen,
plus
what is this? How much is this one? 0. What is the root of 0? 0. Minus b plus or minus 0. Minus b plus or minus 0 is minus b. Understood or not? Huh? Then what is the condition for equal roots?
No, I am asking what the roots here.
What is the fourth root of 4? What is the root of 9? Then what is the confusion of root of 1 is 1 or not? Acha, plus or minus 1. So what is your doubt? I didn't get.
So what is the root of 1, sir?
Root of 1 is 1
Sir,
na?
root of 1, what is the answer?
Root of 1. X is equal to minus b upon 2a written. Okay, quadratic formula followed. There is no problem. So we are going to do with the help of the quadratic formula. Now, generally they will give the question solved by quadratic formula, then you have to do it. The next exercise is based on quadratic formula. Most important one. We have to, sometimes the value of the roots you need to find out. Square root, all of you know how to find out?
Long division.
A long division. There is no need of long division also. There is a square root table is there in your textbook. Okay, that will be given to you, not in your UT volume. That will be given to you for the examination.
They will only give natural time.
Listen now. Hello. All of you listen now.
Giving you the lock.
Express 3 points. All the express 3 points. You will be given this one for your examination, board exams and all. What you have to do means in the next class when in the next class when you are coming, all of you must carry your Selena or your textbook. Understood or not? It is compulsory along with the UT volume. You must carry the Selena because I have to explain how to do. It's not that there are one to one some value, how to take the value from the square root. It's not that easy. Okay, not the value directly given. Homework. Complete the homework exercise of 5.2. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
अरे हटो ना बिल्कुल नहीं मैं आपसे हाँ बहुत